अच्छा
बताइए मेरे को।
ठीक है ओके तो let us start electrical energy. First of all, electrical energy. As you know, energy. First of all, what is called electrical energy? ठीक है. We know that V equal to W by Q. As you know, electric potential. Electric potential. V is equal to W by Q. From here, W is equal to V into Q as per equation. Okay. And by the definition of Q, what is Q? Electric charge. Q is equal to I into T. I into T. You know, if we place the value of Q in the equation 1, we find W is equal to V I T. What is V I T? Okay. So that is the work done by the battery. W is equal to V I T. Where V is the electric potential, I is the electric current, and T is the time. So this work done is stored in the circuit in the form of energy, is called electrical energy. UV, that is U is equal to V I T. V I T. Okay. From Ohm's law, you know that V equal to I R, where R is called electrical resistance. From here, if you place V is equal to I R, then U becomes I, okay, R I T. Then U becomes I square R T. This is the second formula of the electrical energy. I square R T. Okay. One more formula can be derived from here. I equal to V upon R. From here, I is equal to V upon R. Then from this equation, suppose this is the equation 2. Equation 2, we can get as electrical energy U is equal to V. This can be taken as the function of U. Rather than I, we can write V upon R. Getting? Yes, V upon R. V upon R. It's square. And here R, here T. Then you can find V square upon R. V square upon R. Here R into T. R getting cancelled out. Then U is equal to V square and T. ठीक है. V square T. Okay. This is the next formula. ठीक है. So electrical energy can be find out by the many formulae such as V I T. This was the first formula. Second is I square R T, and third is V square T. What is the unit of electrical energy? That is called kWh. kWh. ठीक है. Kilowatt hour. It is said kilowatt hour. ठीक है. This is kWh. As you know, in most of the cases, when energy is obtained, then another term comes out further. We may take as the energy. Okay, energy, power, एनर्जी पता हो गया।
Yes.
जब एनर्जी पता हो गया तो पावर आप एज पर यू हैव स्टडीड इन 9th and 10th क्लास, पावर इक्वल टू W by T, rate of doing work या rate of dissipation of energy, rate of dissipation of energy, as you, this is the work is the form of energy, you can write energy upon time, this may be dissipation or production, energy upon time. So far all the formulae of energy can be put down here. First is W is equal to या एनर्जी जिसको बोलते हैं इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी, इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी अपॉन टाइम टेकन. So first formula of the power P is equal to VIT upon time T getting cancelled out, P is equal to V into I. What is the unit of power? Watt. What is the unit of power? Watt. ठीक है, you will not forget this. The energy is in joule or kWh. ठीक है, and another unit is electron volt also. ठीक है, electron volt also. So what is the SI unit of electric power is V into I. Okay. So from here you can P is equal to V into I. By using Ohm's law, suppose this is very easy to derive by using Ohm's law. By using Ohm's law. What is Ohm's law? V is equal to IR. V is equal to IR. Okay. By using Ohm's law, V is equal to R. P can be written as, okay, I square R. V is equal to IR and V into I. This was the last formula. In the place of V, you can write this. So then V becomes I. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Into R and further into I. This becomes I square R. Okay. This is the I square R. And from Ohm's law, this can also be written as what? In the place of I, V upon R. V upon I can be written as V upon R. Here P is equal to V square upon R square and one is R. One R is getting cancelled out. From here P equal to V square upon R. Okay.
Yes.
Third formula. Okay. As power. Okay. So heat produced in the resistor, or suppose this is a electric. ये क्या है? What is this? Is electrode. These are electrode. One is positive, other is negative electrode. So and a resistance is connected between negative and positive. ठीक है? Heat is produced या heat produced in the resistor arc which is connected across the terminals of the electrode या cell energy dissipated in the resistor R comes from chemical energy of electrolyte. Which energy is hidden in this chemical? This is electrolyte, chemical energy. Because electrolyte, what is electrolyte? What is electrolyte? Have you heard in chemistry? Electrolyte. Electrolyte is an acid.
Acid that can conduct.
Any acid or salt, ठीक है, or base. Suppose this is a base. These are called electrolyte. And the phenomena of electrolyte, electrolysis, ठीक है, is discussed in terms of electrolyte. Suppose this is a voltmeter and some electrolyte is taken in this voltmeter and copper or aluminum rods are dipped inside it. So these are called electrodes. What is electrode? One is positive, other is negative. This is called anode. This is called
Anode.
And this is called cathode. This is called cathode. Okay? Cathode and anode are dipped in, suppose, copper sulfate solution. When terminals of the battery are connected here, okay, terminals of the battery or cell is connected, current starts to flow and this gets dissolved into two parts, CuSO4. Okay, this is Cu2 plus and okay, SO4 2 minus. This is called cation. This is called cation. Why it is called cation? Because, and this is called anion. Why it is called cation?
Positive ions.
Because positive ions, that is Cu plus ions, will migrate towards negative. These will migrate towards cathode. That is why these are called cations.
Yes.
And this will migrate towards anode. That is why it is called anion.
Yes, sir.
So anion and cation. Cations are always positive and anions are always negatives. So this is the phenomena of splitting of electrolyte into two parts. Cation and anion is called electrolysis.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है? Electrolysis. Electrolysis becomes only when electricity passes through the electrolyte. Electrolyte are some acid, salt or bases. They can conduct electricity through them. Okay? And electrical power, as you know, is equal to P into pi. We can find out here. ठीक है? Power of dissipation, power of production, and lastly we will find combination of resistor, series and parallel. Okay?